welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you can tell, I am going to be doing a makeup tutorial. So I'm going to be doing a New Year's Eve makeup tutorial, and honestly I felt so weird doing this video because I haven't done a makeup tutorial in so long, and then at the same time the lighting for this video is gonna be crap. It's gonna suck because it's very gloomy outside, and then I only have this ring light on, and then the lights that, like the little box lights, are put away. I didn't want to bring them out because I knew that I was gonna have to put them away and kind of like organize the room like how it was, because I don't know when I'm gonna do another makeup tutorial. So I was like, you know what, let me just arrange the room kind of to do this video, and then I'm gonna set everything back, because right now I have my little like vanity table, office table in the middle of the room, and it's usually like in that corner over there. So everything in here is just a complete mess. I was just reorganizing my closet and just kind of like rearranging it and putting stuff away that doesn't belong there. Just I'm trying to get rid of a lot of clothes, so I'm just kind of like rearranging and making more room for my actual stuff that I still use. So anyways, today I'm gonna be showing you guys a New Year's Eve makeup tutorial, and yeah, without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. Of course, you guys know that I am gonna be clipping my hair back because it always gets in front of my face. And surprisingly, for this video I don't have wet hair. I actually took a shower like 3 hours ago, so my hair is dried off already. First thing I'm gonna do is apply some NYX Total Control Drop Primer. I actually got this for Christmas, so I haven't used this in a long time, and I forgot how much I actually liked it. I'm also gonna go in with a second primer. So the next one I'm using is this Maybelline New York Master Prime by Face Studio, and I absolutely love this primer. Like, there's literally nothing in here. So I have to go get some more after I'm done with this video, because I am gonna go to like Target and stuff. But I really love this primer because it really hydrates my face. Alright, so I'm gonna start off with eyes first. So for the eyes, I'm using this concealer called L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear. This one is in the shade 330 Ivory, and I'm just gonna apply a little dot. Oh my god, I always have trouble opening this. Okay, there we go. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and apply a little tiny dot with this, because a little goes a long way with this concealer, and it's kind of frustrating because sometimes when I'm putting it on my face, like, you can see concealer all over my face and it literally makes it all white. So that's why I only go in with a little bit at first, and then I make my way up. And this is going to be like the base for the eyeshadow. That's why I put on concealer first, just so your eyeshadow doesn't move all night, since you're going to be partying and dancing and all that stuff. Alright, and the palette I'm going to be using today is this Modern Renaissance by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I should have probably like cleaned all of my brushes first, because they're all kind of like dirty. But I am just using this Morphe Y17 brush, and I am going to go ahead and use this color right here, which is called Tempera, and it's like a white pink, and that's going to be my base for the rest of the makeup. For the rest of the shadows. And now I'm using this color right here, which is called Buon Fresco, and it's kind of like a light purple shade. I'm gonna go ahead and just put that onto the crease right over here and work my way in. Alright, so now I'm gonna use this shade right here, which is like a dark brown orange shade. And it's called Realgar, and with that I am using the same brush that I used for the purple one, which is the Y16 brush. I'm just gonna like lightly just tap it on there and put that like right above of the purple, just to kind of like darken it up a little bit and make it more red. And I'm not even like pressing it onto the eye, I'm just very like lightly brushing it on there. And now with this brown shade right here, this one is called Antique Bronze. I'm gonna use a more like defined pointy brush so I can put that like right on the crease just to darken up like this crease area a little bit more. All right, there we go. For the inner corners, I'm using this, it's like a light glittery shade, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put that on the inner corners of my eyes, and I'm just gonna use my finger for this so you guys can see it's like very shimmery. For some eyeliner, I'm just using one from e.l.f. I haven't put on liquid eyeliner in so long, and you can tell because I am just like messing up so badly right now. Moving on to mascara. So for mascara, you know, I'm just gonna use the ones that I always use. So I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Length Mascara, and then I'm gonna go up over top of that with the Voluminous Lash Paradise, and this one is from L'Oreal. So I'm gonna do the first coat with this one just to make them a little bit longer, and then I'm gonna use the other one just to add more volume onto the eyelashes. Yeah, you can tell I haven't done my makeup in so long. Now for brows, I'm just using this Gimme Brow by Benefit, and I'm just gonna lightly just... Lord. Alright, let's try that again. So I'm just gonna lightly brush them. Okay. I'm just gonna lightly brush them outwards just so they can kind of like set. I go in with this Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. This one is in Soft Ivory, and then I'm also using my favorite one, which is the Almay Clear Complexion. This one is in the shade 200 Buff. So I'm gonna mix both of them together. And then with this one, I'm just gonna use like half a pump, so just a little tiny bit, kind of like dot that everywhere just to make the blending of the other one a little bit easier. And I'm just gonna go ahead and start blending. And now to contour my face, I'm using this one by Wet n Wild, and this one is in the shade Dulce de Leche. So I'm just gonna use this side right here. This one's the contour, and then this one is the highlighting side, and I'm just using the Wi-Fi brush. I'm just gonna lightly pat that on there and just start like very lightly just bronzing on there, just because I did add concealer, so it kind of makes my face a little bit just like whiter. What in the world is this? So now I'm just gonna go ahead and eyeline and line my lips with this NYX red lip liner. This one's in the shade Ruby. Now I'm using this Smoke and Mirrors Velvet Matte Lip Gloss. This I got from Five Below, and it's honestly like the best $5 that I've ever spent on a lipstick or a lip gloss, because this feels very I don't know how to explain it, but it's matte. It looks very matte, but it doesn't feel matte. It feels very like smooth and just very lightweight. So that's why I am just obsessed with all these. It came in like 5 or 6 different colors, and this one has to be my favorite one, along with like a pink one. So I'm just gonna go ahead and color the rest of my lips with this. And for highlighter, I'm using this Master Holographic by Face Studio. This one is, I don't know if it says the shade, but I know the number is 050. And lastly, for like the bottom part of my eyes, I'm using the same shade that I used earlier, which is the Real Gar. Grab some of that and just work that in there like this. I usually save this step for last because I don't like applying this on and then putting on the foundation, because after I put on the foundation, it kind of just like wipes it all off. So I make sure that I have my foundation, my concealer on, and then I do this step. Alright guys, so that concludes this New Year's Eve makeup tutorial. I felt so weird doing this video because I haven't done a video in this room in so long. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys on Thursday's video. Bye guys.